In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-converting landing page in GoDaddy Website Builder. We'll start by signing in. Open your browser, head to the GoDaddy website, log into your account, and go to your Website Builder dashboard. This is where all your sites live and where you'll manage pages, design, and settings. Next, open your website editor. Choose the site you want to work on and click Edit Site. If you manage more than one site, double-check you're editing the right one so your changes appear in the correct place. Take a quick look at the left menu so you know where Pages, Theme, and Settings are. We'll use those in a moment. By the way, I've placed a direct link to GoDaddy Website Builder at the very top of the description so you can jump straight in when you're ready. Now, let's add your landing page. Click Pages in the menu, then choose the option to add a new page. Select Landing Page as the page type. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. If you don't want it in your site's main navigation, look for the visibility toggle or navigation options and hide it from the menu. Time to customize. Update the headline and subheadline first. Make them benefit-driven and specific so visitors instantly understand what they'll get. Add a single, strong call to action button, like sign up or get started, and keep it consistent across the page. Drop in any images, videos, or a simple form that supports your goal. Choose visuals that feel authentic and compress large files so the page loads quickly. Then align your colors, fonts, and layout with your brand. High contrast between the background and CTA button helps it stand out, while generous spacing keeps things scannable. Let's optimize for conversions. Keep your form short, only the fields you truly need. Make sure your button text is action-oriented and clear. Preview the page on desktop and on mobile, and verify that text is readable, images fit correctly, and the CTA is visible without excessive scrolling. Fast load times matter, so avoid heavy files and unnecessary animations. When you're happy, save your work and publish to make the page live. After publishing, visit the URL to confirm everything looks right, and share it wherever you're driving traffic, such as ads, emails, or social posts. If you need to tweak anything, come back to the editor, adjust, save, and publish again. That's how you can create a high-converting landing page on GoDaddy Website Builder to capture leads and boost engagement. Thanks for watching.